What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we're going to go over Wednesday's game plan. But before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. All right, family. Looks like we're going to have another interesting day tomorrow. We got PPI up at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. This is another report that's going to move the market. You're going to get some of the similar type action that we got today. It's going to repeat itself in tomorrow. So it's just whatever they report. If Wall Street rocking with the numbers, they're going to try to boom this thing. If they're not, they're going to try to bring this thing back down. Just expect some volatility. I wouldn't jump in anything in that 9:30-10 range. I'd wait for a clear direction and then we'll get busy with figuring out what they're trying to do. Today, they played with us. They tried to go up, then they came back down, then they kept going back down, then they tried to reverse it back up. Today was a tricky day in several of the tickers that we play in. So newbies, beginners, we're going to take a look at TSLL. This one right here, they're sitting at 1095. They at a crucial area. If you are a bear, you want to see them open somewhere around 1070. They can do that right there. Next level down is going to be 1050. They lose that right there. Check this out. We got this 1010, 1005 level en route to these bottoms right here. That should be a heavy level, 995. The bulls will get the opportunity to try to bounce it back up if we get to that area. To the upside, you want to see us get back up to this 1140 area. You want Wall Street to be rocking with this report. That way they boom this thing and the market is flowing. Hopefully this ticker follow along with it. But in any event, you would like to see them clear these tops right here. If they can do that, they can start this journey back up to these tops up at 1180 before they break out to that $12 range. Advanced traders, y'all come on up. I got a couple for you. First ticker up is going to be ticker symbol CRWV. They boom this thing all the way up to this 146, and then they start coming all the way back down, and it looks like they are below a key area that we do not want to see them go down, especially if we plan to the upside. They're sitting at 139.60. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them get back to this level up at that 142.30. You want to see us open higher than 142.30. If they can do that, they can start that uphill climb back to these highs at 146.60 before they next move up to this stuff up in here at 148.50. There you go to the upside. To the downside, if you are a bear, you want to see them open somewhere around 135.75. If they can do that, man, it's not going to be pretty in this one. They can start slowly dropping this thing back down. You got 132.30 on deck. Heavy level 131.30. They lose that one. Boom. We coming down to 129. So a couple different areas of interest for you to pay attention to. We start seeing those levels get taken out. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol NVDA. They're sitting at 170.25. If you are a bear in this one, you want to see them open somewhere around 169.90. They can do that right there. Next level down is going to be this 169.60. You got turbulence up into them trying to get to this 169.20. They lose that right there. Man, they can really start pulling this thing back. A slow grind all the way back to these bottoms at 165.45. That's some areas of interest to pay attention to the downside. To the upside, you want to get above these tops right here at 170.110. Once they start doing that, the next area of interest is going to be these tops here at 171.60, and then boom, they ready to shoot their shot right back to those highs, 172.40 before 173, 175. But again, if Wall Street is rocking with these reports, we could be waking up already at those highs, or if not higher. Big baller shot callers, y'all come on up. First one is going to be Tesla. They're sitting at 309 even. This is looking ugly. If you are a bear in this one, you want to see them open somewhere around 306.60. They can do that. Next level down, you got 303.90. Then boom, you got 299.80 on deck. To the upside, you want to see them open somewhere around 312.65. They can do that. Next level up is these tops at 315.45. Then boom, you got 318 and routes back to this top up here at 321.15. There you go. And Tesla, Next ticker up, we gonna throw ticker symbol COIN in this one. I told you guys where they was trying to get to today, and they ran this thing up exactly past the 400 mark that I told you guys. If you was in the Discord today, I had a level at 396. I said if they got to that level, they secured that level, we was gonna see that $400 mark. I put it in the Discord yesterday. I think I had a level at 398. I said they get through that level right there, they going to see 400. It's going to act like a magnet. We went to 400.75 and they came down hard. 372.85. That is a crazy drop. But family, I let you guys know, plays once they hit these all-time highs, man, we got to embrace the pullback. Understand that it's gonna be a pullback. It's gonna be another opportunity for you to get your position and try to ride this thing back up. Once they get to that high area, the Bears, Wall Street, they start their games. They start trying to smack this thing down, and that's exactly what they did. This was almost a $30 drop. So shout out to you guys that was able to understand the assignment once they hit that $400 mark to make some quick money on the downside. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them get back to these tops right here at 393.10. Next level up is going to be this top right here at 397.90, and then boom, it's going to be this heavy level at 400.85. Consolidating above that, they can start shooting to a new high. To the downside, what you want to see, you want to see them open somewhere around this area right here, 382.90. They do that, next level down is going to be 379.25, and then boom, they're going to shoot their shot back down to this 373.20 area. They lose that, and the possibility can get super nasty to the downside. We could be looking at a complete collapse all the way back down to that 350 level. So not saying that we're going to get there tomorrow, but if we lose that level right there, it can really start getting interesting. Next ticker up is going to be the SPY. They're sitting at 621.10. And again, don't trust this pullback. Don't panic right now. These are the games that they're playing because they know we got another piece of important data dropping tomorrow. This pullback should have been expected. I put something in the Discord. I said SPY. Bulls will get a shot down at 620.70. Bears bringing the pressure though. Under 622.30, Bears will look for 621.80. And I said, hold on, because this ride ready to get bumpy. It took forever, but that fake pump up was not fooling nobody. I knew when Bulls started popping that thing, I was like, nope, they haven't came down to my level yet. I'm just sitting back waiting patient because I know we coming back. They gave everybody that little fake run up, and then boom, we came all the way back down. We out here grinding every day, trying to knock these things out of the ballpark, giving you levels and areas of interest for you guys to respect. And once you start seeing them get taken out, you know how to move with it. A little tip out there, I'm seeing a lot of people want to get into a play just because the candle touched that particular area. That's not what you want to do. You always wait on a retest, a test and retest. It's going to hit that area. You test in that area. You want a pullback if you looking for calls going up. You want it to hit that heavy level of interest and then pull back down. And then you want it to go back and test that area. Consolidating and closing candles with an S on it, because sometimes it takes more than one candle. It could take 3 candles. Once they start consolidating and they can get a nice little base going, they're going to start booming that thing up. And again, if you plan off the one candle, set your stop loss and don't worry about the rest. Let the stop loss do what a stop loss is supposed to do. No emotions behind it. If it's gonna go back on you, once you set that stop loss, you ain't worrying about nothing else, because that stop loss is gonna protect your portfolio from a catastrophic loss. And enjoy the trip to the upside if that's what we're looking at. The last couple days, well, Monday, Tuesday, they haven't been giving us really much to go off of. We get the pop in the morning, and then if you look at this chart, it's just a lot of consolidation, nothing really to write home about. They gave us that little move there at the end, and where we end up closing up, 6 621.95. I said if bears was weak at 622.30, they will look for 621.80. So, and right now they're still leaking. They coming down much lower, but again, family, don't panic with these numbers right here. This is just manipulation until the data drop tomorrow morning. Don't sweat it. We okay. If you are a bull, you want to see us open higher than 623.80. They can do that right there. Next level up is going to be this 624.90 and routes to trying to climb this thing back up. To the downside, I got a heavy level down here at 619.20. If the bulls can't hold that right there, man, they can slow grind this thing all the way back down to 613.15. Again, family, all of these numbers is manipulation. Don't panic. Don't worry about, oh my God, it's dropping and all that good stuff. They just waiting for data to turn this thing around tomorrow. So if it's negative, then yeah, we're going to continue to pull back. But again, we ain't panicking. We just going to wait and sit it out, see what's happened, wait for the market to show us something at 9:30 to 10. And once they show us, and then I'll start bombing out the direction, regardless what the data show us. You already know I'll have these tickers updated before the market open up. And then I will be trailing them to see what the manipulation is from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. Are they trying to boom us or are they trying to bring us back down? And you already know I will be letting you know what they're trying to do. That's all the tickers I have for you today. We back at it tomorrow. Until then, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVDA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.